Hello everyone, this is the unboxing of Xiaomi second generation smart LED bulb. This is the white bulb, means it doesn't have any colors. It's useful in places where you don't really need atmosphere light, like in your kitchen or something like that. Who would want a color bulb in the kitchen? So after 2 weeks it arrived. You can see the package is a bit, but let's hope that everything is in one piece. Let's hope it arrived in one piece. So here it is. As you can see, it's a slightly different design from the old version 1 bulb. First of all, it has yellow paint here. The color bulb has purple, I think, paint, so you can distinguish them. And it's also wider at the top. This bulb should be like 20% brighter than the first generation Xiaomi Yeelight smart bulb. But also consumes less energy if we are to believe Yeelight. Okay, so let's try installing this bulb and the Yeelight app. As you can see, we already have several bulbs here, and we will try adding a new device. And this is the LED bulb 2, white. Let's click install your device. Device is correctly powered. It was not the initial installation. If it was not the initial installation, please reset your device. It is initial installation, so we will just turn the bulb. You can probably hear the switch. It's turned on, so we will go next. And it is scanning. And it found something. Let's just select it. Okay, so we will go next, and we now have to select the Wi-Fi that I'm connecting to. This is my Wi-Fi for smart devices. Connected successfully, done. So this is the new white bulb right here. So as you can see, we have all the standard features that the previous generation had. We can set scenes, and we can choose the color of the bulb. We can say favorites. We can set the timer, etc. But first, let's enable LAN control. That means that we can control it from other applications other than Yeelight and Mi Home. Let's see if there's a firmware update. Yes, there is. So we can update the firmware. I can see the light blinking. And the firmware is up to date. So that is about it. Now, there are several other settings. We can name it. And it works. That's it. Thanks for watching.